Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Let me introduce to you Indo Property Hub. We are a new marketing tool for the Indonesian real estate sector, and our primary goal is to unify a market that is by all means very fragmented and inefficient when it comes to marketing, thanks to years of digital adaptation layering. How many of you use your own websites, Instagram, YouTube, your own account on Facebook, plus trawling countless Facebook pages and groups looking for leads and other aggregate platforms that are not very efficient? Time is money, so if you or your company is engaged in all of the above, how much time and capital is that consuming? Indo Property Hub is a real estate aggregate marketing platform with a difference. With the above issues and others in mind, we have created a platform designed for simplicity and transparency, coupled with cutting-edge features. We want to help all of you real estate agents out there to simplify and enhance your conversion rates by bringing targeted audiences to you. But we also offer a real estate-specific services directory to work in tandem with the property listings aspect. This means a new business directory platform for services like mortgage brokers, property managers, home insurance providers, legal notary services, interior designers, buyers agents, architects, developers, ceremony, spiritual property cleansing providers, builders, property maintenance, pest controllers, and property staffing. This is the perfect complement to property advertising, as the two go hand in hand and works as an incredible organic cross-promotion tool. Never has this kind of combination been used before to the huge extent we are, and we do this while offering an incredibly simple and transparent subscription pricing structure that you will find is incredibly competitive as well. We are unifying the Indonesian real estate market, not only to help streamline your marketing practices, but also to help consumers find the property or service they need in a simplified way. In speaking from personal experience, it's incredibly hard work finding the right available properties in Indonesia from a consumer perspective as things are before Indo Property Hub entered the market. Our platform makes life easier for everyone involved, and it will only get better as we grow, much like your local community, which draws its strength from sheer numbers of those involved. The bigger it gets, the greater the results for all members. We would be thrilled if you joined our community. Together, we can reduce inefficiencies for everyone and make our community a stronger one for all. Sign up for free today to take the first step